Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Bays from Dan Cooper Group and Royal LePage Brokerage. Today I'm excited to show you our newest listing at 2175 Marine Drive in Oakville. Part of the highly coveted Ennisclare community condos and steps away from Brawny Harbor, you'll enjoy being within walking distance of local shops and dining. This amenity-rich building has something for everyone, including an indoor pool, various hobby rooms, and an indoor driving range. The unit itself, 306, is located on the 3rd floor and is perfect for anyone looking to downsize. This spacious unit offers a generous floor plan with endless amount of natural light, a sunken living room, and a large balcony. Let's go take a look. Community truly has so much to offer. If this looks like your new home, reach out to me today and let's schedule an in-person showing. I'm Nicole Bays of the Dan Cooper Group with Royal LePage, and I'm so excited to welcome you to the neighborhood.